got some neutral Halloween makeup on, and I got all my Halloween decorations. And then I got the mystery box, which is humongous and really heavy, and actually a lot bigger than the last mystery boxes. The biggest one is right back there, but it's only like 4 fingers thick, and this one is like 3 times as big as the last big mystery box. And I did order all 3 mystery boxes, and this one arrived today when it was supposed to arrive tomorrow. So hopefully I get the other 2 tomorrow and I'll just film a separate video, but I don't actually know when they're coming. So we're just gonna dive right into this one because I've been trying to avoid all of the videos that are out right now because I want it to be a surprise, but I'm also like super eager because I kind of got some of the mystery box stuff suggested to me, and I saw some of the thumbnails and I was like, I want to see what's in mine. I also have my Ghostbusters shirt on, super Halloweenified. All right, it is opened. I can't hold it up and open it at the same time because it's so big. So I'm just gonna have it on my lap. So first thing when I open it is some black paper, and then let's see. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I have another tracksuit. Oh yeah. I have the chartreuse colored one, and now this one is like a neon yellow with black. I'm so excited for this because I don't think I have my green one up here. Yeah, I think it's downstairs. But I'm obsessed with my green tracksuit. So this is freaking awesome. First off, that was right on the top. I'll try it on at the end of the video because I don't know if I got the right size. But now we have some other mystery items. I'm trying not to look. So I'm just gonna reach in, grab something. Okay. This is a velour lip liner in Anna Nicole. I do not have this color yet. And if you guys can't see, I have a ton of Jeffree Star stuff right back here in my background. And I also have a separate drawer for all of my other Jeffree Star stuff next to me. But I do not have this one yet. So this is really awesome. I don't have any repeats on the first try. I can't remember which mystery box video it was, but I have a whole playlist of all of them that I'll link in the description box. I don't know why I can't open this friggin' thing. But in my last video, and I think it was the one before that, the first mystery box, I had like so many repeats. It was ridiculous. Oh no, it is broken. It's all smashed in there. I can't tell if it's smashed in here though, because it looks pretty clean in the cap. All right, hold up. Let me, where's my sharpener? Let me sharpen this so I can swatch it for you guys, because it looks like a really pretty red color. I've actually never sharpened any of his lip pencils, but they sharpen pretty well, if anyone's wondering. Oh my god, I hate when that happens. Oh yeah, that's right up my alley. It's like a orangey red lip liner, Anna Nicole. Super appropriate for this time of season. I need to stop looking in there. What the heck am I doing? Jeez. Okay, so I saw the Skin Frost, and the Skin Frost is in Caramel Kiss. I do already have this one right here. I got the whole, I don't remember what collection this was from. It probably says it on there. But the whole chartreuse green collection, I got that one. So that's what Caramel Kiss looks like. A nice bronzy color. So we have one repeat. I'm gonna try not to look in here now. What is this? I think it's a straw. Oh, it's a Halloween straw. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I freaking love these straws. I am definitely a straw drinker, and I got a straw in the last mystery boxes and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm really glad to have another straw. and a different color for Halloween. All right, third thing. There's something big in here. I'm trying to avoid it. Oh, okay, so this is probably another repeat because I have all of these. It's right back here. This is in the shade Yummy. Where do I have all of those? Oh, they're in the other direction. All right, so I have the shade Yummy, and I love these lipsticks, these glittery lipsticks. They are so much fun. I think I did a whole separate lip swatch video on this whole Jawbreaker collection. That's what it was. I'm pretty sure it was the Jawbreaker collection. But hopefully you can see it's like a nice silvery purple shade. Love it. But that is the second repeat. I put my box down, so trying to avoid not to look at it. All right, I need another small thing. Oh, I do not. Wait, do I have this one? This is a liquid lipstick in Venus Flytrap. I don't think I do not have this one, but I'm really happy to have this one. Ooh. Oh, if you guys didn't see my Jawbreaker video, I tried on the chartreuse green color and I was not that happy with it. But this one, I am so excited for. If you guys can't notice, I love crazy lipstick colors, so anything with like a crazy lip color, I am so down for. So I'm really excited about this, but I'm a little bit afraid it's gonna make my teeth yellow. But look at the gold, the red, the purple, and the green. I like the color scheme so far. Another little thing. Ooh, the Halloween one. It's in Zombie Kiss. Ooh, I might have to keep this box, to be completely honest. Ooh. 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 Oh my gosh. It's a glittery purple. I don't think I have a glittery purple liquid lipstick yet. Oh, I might have to shake this one up because it might have melted a little bit in transit. But I swatched it for you guys so you can see the color. It's super pretty. It's right up my alley. A lot of people don't really like glittery lipstick, but I really like them because then you can add them in the center of your lip. You can put them on your eyes. Like the orange eyeliner I have is Flamethrower from Jeffree, and it works really well. I need to stop looking. What the hell is wrong with me? All right. I'm pretty sure I have this velour lip scrub because it's in the green packaging. It's in Cucumber Mint. Let me go grab that too. It's right back there with all my other lip scrubs. Yep, Cucumber Mint. Doesn't really smell like cucumbers, but it has a little bit of like the alcoholic beverage mint kind of smell to it. And that's what the color looks like, if you guys are wondering. So that's the third repeat that I have, but that's just because I have the whole collection. I'm trying not to look at the big stuff, but it's hard. Is there any other small things in here? Okay, I think this is the smallest thing that's in here. I have no earthly idea what this is. Oh, it's the Mini Breaker palette. I have that one. I will link a tutorial down below if you're interested to see what this looks like. But I'll show you the inside of it. It's a really good ass palette. I actually really love this mini palette, and I'm super excited from keeping up with Shane and Jeffree's little series about doing another mini palette because I think this one was bomb. So I'm excited about that, but that one's another repeat. Oh, let's see, there's another big thing in here. Ooh, love me not. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Mini velour liquid lipstick set. Let's see. I'm trying to look at the colors. I think I have Calabasas. I think I have watermelon soda. I think I have red rum. Are the ones that I have. But, ooh, look at wifey. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna swatch all of these out real fast for you guys. Well, actually, let me put this aside because there's one more thing in the box. I think I've been trying so hard not to look in here, but it feels like one more thing. Ooh, that's pretty cool. We do have 2 record players. So this is Jeffree Star's prom night record. I might have to try this on the record player, see if it works. I'm pretty sure it works, but I'm really glad that we have different record players to have this. There's another thing in here. What the heck? All right, this one looks like a mirror. I have gotten a mirror before. Oh no, everything was about to fall. I can't open anything today. What the heck is wrong with me? Ooh, let's see what mirror. Yes, I got the orange one. Ooh, Lord. I'm really glad because I use this red one all the time. So now I'm super happy. And I also like the black design instead of what it has on the red one. So I'm happy to have 2. So now I can use it while I'm filming. And I use the other one to make sure that I'm in frame. So let me swatch the liquid lipstick set for you guys, and then I'm gonna try on the tracksuit, show you to you guys, and then I'll tell you guys my opinions on everything. I didn't really think this out where I swatched them, but these are all of the mini liquid lipstick set. So this is Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, which I am really excited about this one. It's like a orangey brick red, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, which is also like a really pretty reddish orange color, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. So I think that's a pretty good set for fall, honestly. You got a nice little collection of like your deeper shades, and then you also have like some nudes and then some pops of colors. So I'm pretty excited about this. And I did check, and the colors that I'm thinking of, I do have Watermelon Soda in a liquid lipstick, but I have Calabasas and I think it was Unicorn Blood in a lip ammunition, not a liquid lipstick. So I'm pretty set with this set. I think it fits nicely right there. I'm gonna try on the tracksuit. All right, so I dimmed you guys out a bit, but I'm pretty happy with the medium size. I believe that it's the same size that I have the chartreuse one in. It's a little bit long on my waist part of my body, but I like that it goes all the way to my wrist, and then the pants also go all the way down to my ankles. And if you guys don't know, I'm almost 6 foot, so I like that it is long enough for me, because I always have an issue with that whenever I'm trying to find clothes for myself. I don't know why. I need to put you guys back into the normal part. There we go. So, my opinion on this box. I do think this is a lot better. I only had, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4 repeats, a tracksuit, one of the limited edition liquid lipsticks, and I got a Halloween straw. So I'm pretty happy with this. Oh, and the mirror. I do love the mirror. Though I don't know if I would pay the same price for this, to be honest. I'm a little iffy about it. If you guys are curious, I will link videos with the whole Jawbreaker collection if you guys are curious about like how it looks, swatches, and all of that stuff. I'll link all the Jawbreaker videos down below for you guys. I will also be calculating all of the prices of everything in this box, so how much the box was and then the value of everything. But I'd also like to know what you guys' thoughts on it, because I do like this box. I do think that it's a way better value for people that are new to Jeffree Star. And the only thing is, I wish, you know, like the people like me that are like super addicted to Jeffree Star, and get every collection. I wish I could just pay like $50 to get like a random, like the mystery stuff, because that's the reason why I got all of the other stuff, because they had the mystery shade, and I wanted to get the mystery shade because I have FOMO. So I definitely am happy that I got the liquid lipstick. I don't know if this is, oh yeah, it does say Halloween metal straw on it. So this one, and then the mirror and the tracksuit, I'm pretty happy with. I'd probably rather pay like $100 to get some of the more limited edition stuff than have the repeats in there. But I do like this set for people that haven't tried a lot of Jeffree Star, because you really do get a little bit of everything. You get the lip scrub, highlighter, eyeshadow, lip pencils, liquid lipsticks, a mirror. So you literally get a little bit of everything, which is why I think this is probably the best mystery box that he's come out with so far. But for my personal opinion, I do still have some repeats, so I'd probably prefer something that I mentioned, like I mentioned earlier. But we'll have to see when I get my other mystery boxes and compare them to this mystery box to see which size of the mystery box I actually like the most, because I am pretty impressed with this one. I just have to see like the value. Like if I didn't have anything, if I didn't have any of this stuff already, I would be freaking losing my mind. Like I would be so happy right now. But because I did get the whole summer collection, I do have some repeats in here. You guys let me know what you think. But if you guys want to watch my last video of just a get ready with me update video, it'll be right over here. This video will be suggested to you by YouTube, and my face will be right here where you can click on it and subscribe to my channel.